On 19, I'm expanding the logarithm. So I'm going to do this using the quotient rule. So this becomes log base 2 of s to the 5 minus log base 2 of 7 minus log base 2 of t squared. And then I want to bring down those powers using the power rule. So my final answer is going to be 5 times log base 2 of s minus log base 2 of 7 minus 2 log base 2 of t. On question 20, I have a lot of terms here. So I'm going to expand this using the product and the quotient rule. So this will be ln of 5 plus ln of x cubed plus ln of, and I'm going to express this radical using the 1/2 power. So it's going to be ln of 1 minus x raised to the 1/2 power. And then I'm going to use the quotient rule with the terms on the denominator. So it's minus ln of 4 and then minus ln of x plus 1 squared. So then lastly, I want to bring down the powers. So ln of 5 plus 3 ln of x plus 1/2 ln of 1 minus x minus ln of 4 minus 2 ln of x plus 1.